Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today we're looking at the start of a new project, which is our backyard kitchen, as well as adding a few planters here. Now we are in planning stages at the moment. Got a bunch of free bricks off of Facebook Marketplace, so I've done a rough lay just to get an idea of how many bricks I will need to complete the project. Of course at the moment I only have a few left, so this is going to need quite a few more bricks, so we're going to keep an eye out on these. But for now, what we're kind of thinking, just on the plan-wise, is to add a planter here, moving all the way back to this part here. And starting with the idea at the moment, and apologies all the mess, guys, bricks everywhere. We're literally in a building stage at the moment here. One idea that we've got at the moment, or we've got a couple ideas, is to, firstly, idea would be to make a planter here, somewhat of a raised planter. This is a, I believe, 75 kilogram tub. This is one of the ones that the Trachycarpus palms have been coming in, so I've put it in there for scale, but also to get an idea, as we are planning on one more of the large Trachycarpus palms this year, and thinking of adding it to perhaps, as mentioned, a sort of raised bed here. Now the other idea that we're toying with at the moment is, instead of doing just a complete raised bed with a step up into another sort of similar size brick area right here, is to actually, from this side, lift it up slightly again, so similar styling, maybe one brick or two bricks higher than where it is presently. But one idea is to add a sort of semi above ground koi pond in here with a water feature that starts up the top and comes down to here, and then eventually using sort of pond plants and things like that to kind of add a bit of green to this area. So certainly let us know in the comments what you think would be sort of a better option. I'm also thinking of a hybrid version of that, so having a planter but with a water feature in it here, probably using like a solar pump or something like that, so I don't need to run electrics to it. So yeah, let us know in the comments what your thoughts are, which you think might look better in this area. Again, we're looking at an L kitchen here. What we're trying to do, we're going to be re-slabbing this floor as well. I'm going to be adding a smoker oven in the back. You're going to have your gas grill. Looking to add a sort of a kitchen sink, so add some plumbing to that to be able to wash things and have access to water out there. And lastly, probably on this side here, guys, going to be looking at adding a tandoor oven on that side. So yeah, a few plans in the works here. It's definitely going to be a sort of a longer project getting this all done and built. But stay along with the channel. Really appreciate everyone's ideas when it comes to things like this, so certainly let us know. Of course, subscribe if you have not already and follow along, and more garden videos and projects coming soon. Thanks for watching.